Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this crypto wallet, which is Atomic Wallet. So to get started with a quick review, Atomic Wallet is a multi-asset non-custodial crypto wallet that supports over 500 coin and token across desktop and mobile. It includes built-in staking, token swaps, and fiat purchases option, make it a convenient and all-in-one solution for managing your crypto without needing multiple apps. However, security concerns still surround Atomic Wallet after a major 2023 hack where millions in users' funds were stolen. Some users also report issues like poor customer support and occasional glitches. While it remains a popular choice for versatility, you should use it with a caution in 2025, especially if you are storing a large amount. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this crypto wallet. And that's it.